This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food and SuperHealthyChildren.com. I love having my grandchildren come visit, and we enjoy creating healthy, raw food treats from wonderful fruits and vegetables. And here are some of the treats that we make together. First, I highly recommend having a beautiful fruit stash in your kitchen. So that is what the children see when they come in. All those beautiful colors of fresh, vibrant fruit. Make beautiful designs from fresh fruit with your kids or grandkids, like this beautiful mango and fig flower. Or show a new fruit like golden kiwi and suggest that they try it. My grandchildren decided to try golden kiwi and loved it.
Tia, can I try it? I never tried it before. It's my first time trying it. You love it. And I never tried it.
I get my grandchildren fully involved by preparing special treats like ants on a log using celery, almond butter, and raisins as the ants.
Ants on a log! Yummy! What a great thing!
I find that the more they're involved, the more likely they are to eat it. Yummy! Almond butter on celery logs. And now we're putting raisin ants on there.
Mimi, do you like how I'm doing this?
I love it.
Big one coming. Now it's yummy!
And now comes the wonderful, fun eating part.
I want to making it to eat.
And then there are smoothies. As a holiday gift or a birthday present, get your child a pretend blender by Speedy Monkey, all in solid wood. We have green smoothie bowl parties. Ooh, beautiful. Have so much fun with your kids and grandkids making all different flavors of banana ice cream. Raspberry banana ice cream is so tasty. They can enjoy eating it in child-friendly small bowls. And then there is the simple playfulness with food. Even a little raspberry can make a cute clown face. Kids enjoy decorating their ice cream. And there are different flavors. Banana wild blueberry is one of the favorites. Ooh, blueberry.
Let me go. Hey, let me
And then there is giving children exposure to a variety of fruits and veggies, carrots, sunflower greens, apple, red pepper, all wonderful. We love keeping sunflower greens right on the table for a healthy, high protein, high quality snack. What about using clay as an art project to create a fruit bowl, bringing healthy food to life? If you are looking to implement a healthy action plan for your family, click on the link below in the description for a free 20-minute talk with me. If you are interested in my delicious recipes, click below in the description for my recipe books. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment here at Feel Fabulous with Food on YouTube. And I will see you on the next video.